Hey everyone, this is Matt from DrawingTutorialsOnline.com. We're here at SVA in room 1103F, and we are here with Clara. Clara, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty good.
Awesome, awesome. And you're first year, right?
Yep.
I know that.
Yes.
Clara is an awesome student in my foundation drawing class Wednesday. And how's your time here at SVA so far?
Pretty okay. A little stressful, but it's exactly what I signed up for, so
Yeah.
I'm having fun.
And what's your dream job?
I guess it's not really concrete, but I guess if anything, I'd like to be a storyboard artist and potentially maybe a showrunner one day, but that's like very much into the future, I guess.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
And I want to be a professional hockey player, so that's in the future too. That's
You
in the
got
future.
this.
Yeah, absolutely. So let's start from the beginning. Let's close this sucker. And so is this just like some fun stuff on the cover, or some of your inspiration, or just fun stuff?
Yeah, it's like some stickers that I've gathered from the last couple months, I guess.
Okay.
Some Dia de los Muertos, like skeletons.
Nice.
We got Owl House. We got this little thing from a doll I have.
All right, awesome. So Clara has a wonderful style, so let's start flipping through. And we're going to give Clara's work thumbs a workout.
Oh.
Yeah, because flipping through the sketchbook is... Now let's take just a quick pause. Let's go back to page 1.
Okay.
Page 1. And you are using which pencil?
I'm using the Prismacolor Col-Erase for the majority of the sketchbook. Yeah.
And how do you like it?
I really like Prismacolor Col-Erase.
Yes, and they're gonna you can keep flipping, and they're gonna they discontinued them. So
Really?
yeah, we're all basically screwed.
Oh, come on.
Yeah, and I mean I think I have hundreds at home, but okay. So these are you've seen, what color pencil is this? Because this is like your go-to.
Yeah, this is the Prismacolor Col-Erase, the red one.
Okay,
Yeah.
Any specific red? Because do you remember?
It's just general red, I think.
Okay, because your drawings look so good with this red Col-Erase pencil. And tell us a little bit about the one in the color here with the pumpkin.
This one? I use Posca pens with this one mostly, and along with like white gel. This was very mixed media. This was mainly to see like how it would handle the paper.
I see.
Yeah, it handled it pretty well.
What type of pens?
Posca markers, white gel pens, I guess like felt nibs, I guess.
Nice.
Yeah, a lot of colors.
Love the heads on the left. And so you like drawing characters.
Yeah.
Keep this page here for a second.
These aren't my characters. These are Monster High characters. I've been really into the 3rd generation so far, so you're gonna see them a lot. But yeah, these are not mine.
Okay, but they're beautifully drawn.
Yeah.
Beautifully drawn.
Thank you.
Wow. And just some homework stuff. And you tolerate the homework.
Yes.
And so there's something about the way, now hold on a second, just pause.
Okay.
There's something about the way that you draw characters where you do the eyes like bigger and darker, and it gets better as the sketchbook goes on. Is that something you've been doing your whole life?
Yeah, I really like the eyes for the most part of my character work. As it's just the most, I guess, fun.
Yeah. And wow, okay, hold on. So you're just having some fun with drawing some skulls, and then some random, stuff from the internet. Very, very cool. And wow, okay, so you're kind of mixing it up a little bit with a bunch of different. So you really cover the paper.
Yeah.
Wait a second. Don't go so fast.
Okay.
Let me. So how did you like the light and shade? Is this something that you do often or not really?
It wasn't really much that I did before, but I really enjoyed it, especially like being able to see like the shape of the shadows.
Cool.
That was really cool.
Cool. And I mean, this character right over here, this page is quintessential the way that you like to draw, correct? And I love the background tone. Like that character's awesome. Really expressive face, beautiful.
And we got some crochet notes here. I like to crochet as a hobby.
Okay. I have a couple students who do actually. So you're really rocking the red Prismacolor, and then we go down to the boring values. And hold on a second. So what pen is this now? Same pen as before?
I think so. I forget what type of pen it is. I know it's like a brush tip, I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Enjoy? Okay, wait. So this is, do you enjoy working with that pen?
Yes, very much so. It's
Oh.
I like brushing it.
Now, this is why I asked Clara to do a sketchbook video, because of these little heads over here on the top of that page. Like, I really like the expressiveness. I like the speed. You probably crank these out, right?
Mm-hmm.
And they just, the pencil work just looks good. And it's confident line, and it's not easy to do that. This is like an old, these are old, right?
Yeah, this is like from towards the beginning of the semester.
Okay. Yeah, this is way back in September.
Mm-hmm.
And gorgeous, gorgeous. What is the one key takeaway that you've taken away from my class on Wednesdays that has helped you?
I would say like the line work.
Line work.
Yeah. I forget exactly what it's called. My bad.
The line diversity?
Yeah, line diversity. There it is.
Yeah.
I started incorporating that into a lot of my work, and I've been really enjoying it.
Yep. And wow. Okay, quintessential you. Wait a second. Beautiful. So these are out of your imagination?
Technically, yeah. Again, these are Monster High characters.
Okay.
But yeah.
So you just love drawing them so much.
Yes, I love them. I'm very passionate about my interests.
Gotcha. Me too. That's cool. And then some hands, and then just random people.
Yes, that's my family.
Oh, nice. Okay, not random people. Shake Shack here on 23rd Street.
Yep.
Madison Square Park. Some portrait homework. Nice work. Good experimentation. And you're doing both sides of the sketchbook.
Yes.
And sometimes I tell people not to do that because the drawings smudge, but I don't think that you care, and
Yeah.
I think it's working for you.
If anything, that's why I like to use the Col-Erase. I know it still smudges, but it doesn't smudge as much as it does with graphite.
Yeah, hold on a second. Like that little drawing right there in the middle near the binder.
This one?
Yes.
Yeah, I like that
Precious
one.
little sketch. I mean, shape of hair, shape of the eyes popping out. Gorgeous.
And more of my characters.
Wow. You should, I don't know where you bought those pencils because they don't really sell them anymore, but if you find them, you should stock up.
Yeah, I mean, I mainly get them off of Amazon.
Oh, they're still there.
Yeah, I did not know they were gonna be discontinued. So now I'm gonna have to I'm gonna have to spend all my money.
Yeah, hold on a second. So just, you're very relaxed with drawing hair. And I like the minimalistic quality with the way that you do the nose. You're not outlining both sides of the nose, which is fantastic. And how has your, hold on. How has your experience here at the School of Visual Arts been so far, in specifically the animation department?
It's been really good. I'm in love with all my classes. They're all just very fun. What, did you want me to go
Yeah,
back?
I
Okay.
missed the one on the top. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I've been enjoying my classes. The workload is a bit much, but I'm handling it.
Yeah, it seems like everybody's stressed here towards the end of the semester. And what are these?
These, sorry?
Costume stuff?
Yeah, costume stuff. This was for the homework assignment on fabric.
Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful.
Storyboards. I like to do storyboards on like songs that I like.
Have you done a sketchbook like this before? Is this new for you?
This is how a lot of my sketchbooks look like, but like I've done a sketchbook kind of like this where it was like a bunch of stuff.
In high school, right?
In high school, yeah. I applied to Cal Arts and I did the sketchbook for that. I really liked it. I put in a lot of effort. I did not get an invite.
Yeah. Well, we're happy to have you here at the School of Visual Arts, and these are stunningly gorgeous. They look so good on the video, my God. Very playful, very energetic, very confident line. And then this page is a gem for me with these faces, especially that one right there. So how long ago did you know that you wanted to go to an art college?
I would say like middle school. I remember, and my parents told me this story a lot, especially when I graduated, how when I told them that I wanted to be an animator, my mom went to my dad like all worried, and my dad was like, "Don't worry, it's just a phase. She'll grow out of it." And now I'm here.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That's a great story. Let me see that one. That one looks wonderful. Yeah, I knew early on too that I was going to go. I mean, I knew in grade school as well. Let's just say this: I stunk at math and English and every other subject in school. So I'm like, if I don't draw, you got to flip that sketchbook. If I don't do a career in the arts, I'm doomed. Wonderful. How long does like something like that take you with all those characters?
With a lot of characters, it takes me a while. I would say this probably took me like a couple hours.
Okay.
Yeah, especially since I wasn't like outlining everything, so, or like, I guess planning it out.
Yeah. Oh wow, these pages are getting better as we roll on towards, we would say maybe now we're into the end of October. Wonderful compositions. Did you squeeze in a life drawing there?
Yeah. This is from class.
It's so funny, I don't even remember that model. I bellyached a little bit to the model registry.
That one was pretty recent.
Oh God, I'm like, you haven't sent me any of the models that I worked with this semester, not one. Hold on, this is a wonderful page.
Yeah, this is from, because I'm not from the city, I'm from Texas, so this is my first.
Texas?
Yeah.
Oh, we've got to talk later.
Okay.
What part of Texas?
Like very south, like near the border of Mexico, Texas.
Oh God, that is pretty cool. That is
Yeah.
pretty cool. And is this like culture shock coming all the way here with this cold?
Very much so. This is the coldest I've ever experienced winter.
Oh my God, wait until you're back here in like late January, early February.
I'm so excited. I've been checking my phone every single day for snow. Like I'm so excited.
Okay, well, you don't have a driveway and I do, so don't check your phone for snow.
Okay.
Because I have to deal with that.
Okay.
Wonderful job. Like these, there's something about how you don't outline everything that just, it makes it, there's something about the way that it's a very cool style.
Thank you.
Now, you're not necessarily 100% finished with the sketchbook.
No.
You were saving the sketchbook for the field trip
Yeah.
to kind of finish something. Now, hold on.
Okay.
So, I mean, I think this is by far one of your best pages. I think you've improved so much already just by like looking at this page. These heads are really solid. Like some of them are super duper gems. And I really appreciate this. And you just kind of crank these out.
Yeah. This page actually did not take too long, I think. Yeah. We're nearing like the start of December-ish.
Wonderful. Who's your favorite artist?
Oh, that's a loaded question. I take inspiration from a lot of artists, but I guess my main one that even like inspired me to come to SVA, it would be Dana Terrace.
Dana, okay, gotcha.
I love her work.
Yeah, awesome choice. These are just like compositions.
Yeah.
Oh God, look at that. That's so fun. That red with the shirt over there, and I like how you do more of that. Oh wait, look at that little gem right over there. My God, that is like one of my best favorite drawings in your sketchbook.
Thank you.
That little one in the middle, and you probably just like cranked it out.
Yeah, because I'm not used to drawing with sketchbooks this big. I do like the pretty like tiny. Yeah. Well, not moleskin. It's like this size, I guess.
Okay.
So it's a very big like adjustment coming to a sketchbook this big.
I see.
Yeah, but I've been handling it, I'd say.
Yeah,
pretty
absolutely.
okay.
Absolutely. Some diversity in here. Very cool. All right, so we're coming down to the end of this because this was the other day in Zoom class. Wow. And what was your experience like in Zoom? You did a great job because I was not happy with the video quality and you seemed to make it work.
I had a lot of fun. The breaks were very fun. But yeah, I would say being able to do it in the comfort of my dorm, it was pretty
A nice mixing
Yeah.
it up. Awesome. Awesome. Are you going home for the winter break?
Yes, I am.
All right, well, good for you. Have a good time.
This is the last page I've worked on most recently.
Okay, well, listen, Clara, I so very much you sharing your artwork. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Do you have any social media that you want to share?
Yeah, I have an Instagram and a YouTube.
Okay.
They're both at kins_t. Kins with a Z.
Okay, so I will post that right below. And thank you once again. And it is super hot in this room, everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give Clara's sketchbook a thumbs up, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, everyone, we're here with Clara, and we're at the Met, and we're not supposed to be filming, but let's just do a quick. Clara finished her sketchbook. I wanted to add this onto the sketchbook video. We were drawing. These are pages before we came to the museum, and then wait. Is this at the museum? Because there's your Degas.
That was a photo reference.
Okay.
But yeah, that one's not from physically at the museum.
And how was your time here at the museum?
I absolutely loved it. If I could spend a whole day here, I probably would.
Wow.
I'm not even kidding. I had so much fun drawing.
Oh, awesome. I'm very happy that you had a good experience here. And I love it too. It's just so much fun to come here and draw.
This page I accidentally did backwards, so here you go.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice. So we're coming up on where we start at the museum, right?
Yep.
No, not
This
yet.
was last night. And
That's
then,
okay. So that's
Yeah.
our first drawing. We did Temple of Endor, and then we went into Arms and Armor and the American Wing.
yes.
And wow, you did the Sergeant value study. That is so cool, Madam X. We went to Asia.
This
And
is
we-
my favorite painting ever by Vincent van Gogh. First
Oh, you did a Van Gogh, and then the
Yes.
field trip was coming to an end soon, and then you
Except
drew after the
I
field
stayed
trip.
over. I stayed over
wait,
time.
wait a second. These are gorgeous
Thank
little
you.
sketches that are so loose. Really pretty. My camera's out of focus. Hold
Oh.
on. I wanted to refocus.
Okay.
Okay, refocus. That's better.
And then this was the last page.
Oh my
Yes.
God, that is a gem right there.
Thank you.
All right, Clara, thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you.
Awesome. Thanks everyone for watching.